this is our last day in Maine with our friends. Now we are gonna go visit the most iconic lighthouse of Maine. I don't remember the name, Chad.
The Portland Head Lighthouse.
The Portland Head Lighthouse. Over beyond that flag.
It's a lighthouse.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Just like the architecture of it, like the rounded arches and the windows around it and the green trim.
The blue flag is the main flag. It has a lumberjack, a moose, a tree, and a sailor.
Star.
And a star.
I didn't think you could go around it.
Cool.
We took in the views of this lighthouse from every angle we possibly could. With its backdrop of the ocean and crashing waves against the rocky shore, it was breathtaking.
That's the rock that I find confusing.
Like, where did it come from?
Is it rock or is it wood?
It literally looks like wood.
We took a path down to scramble over the large boulders and to take a closer look at the rocks, which strangely enough resembled tree bark. Then we enjoyed the views from the main path, appropriately named the Cliff Walk. The following day, we were back in downtown Portland for some breakfast and drinks.
It looks good.
And then the ultimate breakfast sandwich.
That does look like the ultimate.
Okay. I got what's.
What do you think of vegan food? It's good?
Right.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sweet little lavender latte.
Actually,
They called it Meal?
Yeah. And what was that?
M-I-L. I have no idea.
Oh.
But it's some sort of latte with honey. You don't taste the lavender yet. But the latte is delicious.
Thank you. Enjoy. All right, let's go. So this is our last day in Maine with our friends. We got breakfast sandwiches and drinks, and now we're gonna go to Freeport.
Yes.
So like this is all LLB. You have hunting and fishing, retail, ski and boat, home goods, all the beans.
All the beans! The rest of the day, we spent exploring the main street of Freeport, Maine, which consists largely of LL Bean's stores. We especially enjoyed the outdoors and home departments.
You are here.
We're ready to boot here?
Ah, Wicked Whoopies. That's where we're getting whoopie pies.
To the whoopie pies!
Whoopee! Thank you, good sir. We got whoopie pies.
Whoopie pie.
You excited to try?
Yes.
It looks like a big Oreo, but I think it is like Maine's #1 treat. Maybe. Maybe.
It's like cake with icing in the middle instead of on top. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Don't eat all of it because that one's mine. May I have my back? Come on, you have one in your hand. Thank you.
That's great.
This was a fun little British goods shop that had all things, well, British. Clothing, shirts, and kitchen towels embroidered with clever sayings, snacks, drinks, and the like. We've seen the Oscar Mayer Wiener car, and now we're seeing the LL Bean. Oops. Is actual rope for the laces.
And look at the license plate.
Bigfoot. Our time in Maine is complete, but we'll be back again.